In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to request a FedEx Redelivery. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser. Now in the search box, type in FedEx Delivery Manager and search for it. Now different website links will appear. Head over to the official one, FedEx Delivery Manager. Once you're on the website, you will need to choose your location. Once you're on the FedEx website, locate the tracking section and enter your package tracking number. After typing the tracking ID, click the track button to view your shipment details. If a delivery attempt was missed, FedEx may have left a door tag at your address. You can use either the tracking number or the door tag number to access your delivery options. On the tracking page, look for the Manage Delivery or Delivery Options section. If your shipment is eligible, you'll see the option to request a redelivery or reschedule your package for another delivery attempt. Follow the on-screen instructions, choose your preferred delivery date if available, and confirm your request. Depending on your location and the type of shipment, you may also have options to hold the package at a nearby FedEx location or provide additional delivery instructions. And that's how you can request a FedEx Redelivery online. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.